So Chris is mowing the lawn at the moment. When she gets done, we will take the tractor over to the pull area right over there, right by where the fire pit is. If you can see that, we're gonna put two 2x6s up about 5 or 6 feet off the ground and put that bell on top of there. That thing's heavy. It took a bunch of us, me, Chris, Jessica, Janessa, Janelle, I think we're all there taking the post down. It might have just been Jessica, Janelle, and Peyton. I can't remember who all was there, but there was a lot of us taking that bell off of the post. It was about 7, 8 feet high. We had to lift it down into the bed of the truck. Once we got it over here, now I can use the excavator, hook a chain up to it, take it over. So it'll be much easier, one-man, two-man job over here. But it was a big job lifting that bell, which it's got to weigh 300 or 400 pounds at least, maybe more.
Doesn't want to stay.
How do I kill an airplane? This is for beginners. Oh my gosh. That's so there must be something in it. And I think it might have some water. Alright. And now that I like it has. You're doing
Who can spend the night?
Truett and Lilo.
Oh.
Tonight.
Right?
Yeah, and I said, no, Dad specifically said, okay, it's not right. And I said, why don't we spend the night?
Now we need to post.
I don't mind for
Okay.
where's the garden?
Okay. That's not right, babe.
No, what? Yeah, but could
What
like
did
fill
you
someone?
do?
You measured it.
You said 77.
Oh my god.
145.
Just a little off, right?
Well, that'd be 72.
Great.
What if you guys just fill
This
someone?
is 70. You said 77 and a half or 74 and a half?
Whatever I said was wrong.
Peanut butter.
And then there's like it was like a
34.
It was a hurricane, and then like
the person was wearing like rain thingies, and then
Still needs to go
Well,
over
we
there.
don't know if it's upright,
the level.
but that's after we get the concrete in. As long as we have it close to 34, should be able to figure it around that concrete. But we see.
Let's come that way so that. Okay, we got it. Just take it down close to the hole. So it doesn't. Drop it in. Drop it in, dump it in.
And then like it was raining, and then the person brought out a wet sign, like caution wet, while it was like hurricane.
Oh, it's a hurricane.
Yeah, it was fine.
People are crazy.
And then it was molten lava, and someone just took off their glove and smacked it.
You tape measure.
Funny
And
though.
somebody needs
Very much
to.
need that.
Well, I know, but I'm gonna measure what.
Be right. Still on it. We're in the video. Like it's not nice at all.
Yeah, and she was like, oh, I had a $5.
Did we put one on top?
What?
The level.
Yes, you'd have to trim this one a little bit.
This guy's still good. It feels like a weekend.
Well, I don't know if Dad just
I'm
took
saying it doesn't even feel like it's raining. Does it?
A little bit?
Grab one. What? Whenever I went to the reality store, I had 2 kids, a wife,
Alright. Next step is going to be.
7 and 9 are like one of the best. Because they're not too young. $10 for charity. How much did you donate? The minimum amount. I didn't have money. How many did you end up having? 2.
All right, the post should be set for the bell, and we're gonna mount it today. First, we need to make sure it's level. I did a little bit of trim work on this today to make sure that we would get it to being level. So now we can get the excavator and a chain, or maybe actually I might just use the tractor bucket. That'll get high enough and it won't hurt the grass as much. So I'll get the tractor bucket and a chain and hook it up to that bell and bring it over here for installation. All right, I think the tractor's gonna work, but the chains need to be shortened up. All right, work your magic.
I love that wind chime. I love.
Take that off. I mean, we can always take that one off and put a bigger one in there if you want. Bigger one on the other side.
Is that good or?
It should be good for now, yeah. And then we'll go ahead and put the top ones in, I guess.
Okay.
See
Yeah.
if this one will tighten just a little bit, or you want to put a big one
I'd
in?
rather put a big one in
Put a
there.
big one in there with a washer.
Yeah. Like you said, since that's the
Yep.
important part.
Watch out, baby.
I'm watching. You want me? I could have pulled it down. One less thing out of the yard.
Raise that up before I back up.
Gonna,
Need to get a strap for it.
you can like tie a rope on it, or they have.